EMSPROTO is the first factory dedicated to prototype to assemble any electronic board. How do we do it? Our first innovation is our web platform. You can upload all your data online, and within a few clicks, within a minute, you get a quote for 1 to 50 boards with a lead time from 1 to 12 days. Our second innovation is our factory. 100% automated, we can assemble any electronic board within a few days. We are very proud because we own the first label Industrie du Futur in Nouvelle-Aquitaine. The French industry is strong. It is our job to make it better. We are ready to revolution the industry of tomorrow.